You see, the thing is, though, I already opened it. Okay. Bro, this thing's actually like, it's heavy. We're gonna take this stuff off. They look like, oh, here, let me come see, hold on. It's either a 25 or a 30. Oh, it's smaller. No way. Because that 30 is like, it's just too big for the seating or whatever. Oh yeah, this one's good. Holy, like 5 on each side. Yeah, I got like 4 over here. Where are these clips? When you try and put it, this one's on there. When you try and put it back on with the old ones, bro, that was like a bullet. You see how fast that one came off? It might break when you try and stretch it over the other skid plate because this is thicker than the old one. Yeah, this shit's gonna come flying. My girlfriend's the camera person. You need to help. New clips. Of course, it's not gonna focus. Clips. New hardware. How the frick did these go on? I guess I should have paid attention to how it came off. You can almost hand tighten that. Okay. Oil pan protected. No, it's actually fitment? Not bad. So that is the end of the video, the ECS street kit shield install. Shout out to ECS for sending it. We're throwing the old one out, putting it in the car. Yeah, now we are ready to go to Gap. We have a skid plate on. We're no longer scared of US roads. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.